Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen free heating while charging. So first, it's normal if you're using fast charging. Basically your device will be heating all the time. Now what you guys can do first to maybe reduce the heating if you're not using the fast charging, then basically check for background apps, or any apps that you've used. So go to settings, now here go to battery, and here we will have the battery temperature. Now here we can check that this is normal. From 25 to 35 it's normal. Anything above is considered pretty hot, so keep that in mind. Now we can scroll down, and here we can see that for me the Google Play Store takes a lot of battery because it's in the background for 9 minutes. Also with the system launcher we cannot do anything about it, so we need to keep that in mind that the system launcher is just here. Now we also have Google in the background for 1 day and 20 hours. So basically now we know which app consumes a lot of high power and maybe causing heat. So the next one is to use the original charger and a cable. So if you've got your Lenovo normal charger, then stick to it. Don't use anything, let's say from iPhone, from Samsung's or whatever. Just stick to your charger. Now basically avoid using the tablet while charging. So for example, don't game on it, don't watch YouTube, TikToks, anything. And to improve the heat dissipation, what you guys can do is remove the case. So basically when you remove your case, the heat that gets trapped inside will finally be free, so you can remove the case for the time of charging. And after that you need to charge it in a cool and ventilated area. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. So I'll see you next time. Bye.